Melasma is a skin condition that causes brown or gray-brown patches to appear on the skin, most commonly on the face, neck, and arms. It can be stubborn and challenging to treat, but luckily there are a few natural remedies that have been shown to help reduce its appearance. In this video, we will discuss one such remedy, aloe vera. We will explain how you can use it to help get rid of melasma and share some tips for getting the best results. So if you're ready to learn more, let's get started. Aloe vera is a tropical plant that has been used for centuries for its healing properties. It is commonly known for its ability to soothe sunburns and other skin irritations, but it also has a number of other benefits. The clear gel found in the leaves of the aloe vera plant contains over 200 different compounds that can help improve skin health. These compounds include vitamins, minerals, enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants. Together, these nutrients can help reduce inflammation, moisturize the skin, and promote healing. One of the most promising uses of aloe vera for skincare is its ability to reduce the appearance of melasma. Melasma is a common skin condition that causes brown or gray-brown patches to appear on the skin. It occurs when there is an increase in melanin production, the pigment that gives color to the skin. This can be caused by a number of factors, including hormonal changes, sun exposure, and genetics. While melasma is not harmful, it can be distressing for those who have it. There is no cure for melasma, but there are a number of treatments that can help reduce its appearance. One of the most effective treatments is the use of aloe vera. Several studies have shown that aloe vera can help reduce melanin production and lighten the appearance of melasma patches. In one study published in the Journal of Dermatology, researchers found that a cream containing 0.5% of a purified aloe vera extract was effective at reducing melasma in 70% of participants. Another study published in the Indian Journal of Dermatology, Venereology, and Leprology found that a combination of aloe vera and glycolic acid was effective at improving the appearance of melasma. There are two main compounds in aloe vera that are responsible for its skin lightening effects. The first is a polysaccharide called osamonin. Osamonin is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to the development of melasma by protecting the skin from free radical damage. Osamonin helps to reduce inflammation and promote healing. The second compound is an enzyme called catalase. Catalase helps to break down hydrogen peroxide, which is a common ingredient in many skin lightening products. By reducing the amount of hydrogen peroxide on the skin, catalase helps to prevent the formation of new melanin and lighten existing patches. In addition to its skin lightening properties, aloe vera also has a number of other benefits that make it an ideal ingredient for treating melasma. First, it is a powerful moisturizer. This is due to its high water content and its ability to form a protective layer on the surface of the skin. Second, it is anti-inflammatory. This means that it can help reduce redness and swelling associated with melasma. Third, it is antimicrobial. This means that it can help prevent and treat infections that may occur on the skin. Fourth, it is hypoallergenic, meaning that it is unlikely to cause an allergic reaction. This makes it a good choice for people with sensitive skin. Now that you know how aloe vera can help reduce the appearance of melasma, let's discuss how to use it. There are two main ways to apply aloe vera to the skin. You can either use a topical cream or gel or consume aloe vera juice orally. If you want to use a topical product, there are a variety of options available. You can buy a cream or gel that contains aloe vera as an active ingredient. Or you can purchase a pure aloe vera gel and apply it directly to the affected areas. If you choose to use a pure aloe vera gel, it is important to find one that is 100% pure and free of any additives or preservatives. Otherwise, it may not be as effective in treating melasma. When applying the aloe vera gel, it is important to use a gentle massage motion to help it absorb into the skin. You should also avoid putting too much pressure on your skin as this can cause irritation. Once the gel has been absorbed, you can apply sunscreen to protect the skin from further damage. It is important to use a sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher whenever you are treating melasma. If you want to consume aloe vera juice orally, you can purchase a bottle of 100% pure aloe vera juice and take 1 tablespoon daily. You can take the juice with or without food. However, it is important to note that aloe vera juice should not be used as a laxative. While aloe vera is generally safe for most people, there are a few exceptions. If you have a known allergy to aloe vera or any of its ingredients, then you should avoid using it. Additionally, aloe vera may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and diabetes medication. If you are taking any medications, it is important to talk to your doctor before using aloe vera. Finally, aloe vera should not be used during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. When using aloe vera to treat melasma, it is important to be patient. It can take several weeks or even months to see results. In addition to using aloe vera, you should also make lifestyle changes to help improve the appearance of melasma. These changes include avoiding sun exposure, eating a healthy diet, and managing stress. Sun exposure is a major trigger for melasma. Therefore, it is important to take steps to protect yourself from the sun. This includes staying out of the sun during peak hours, wearing protective clothing, and using sunscreen. You should also avoid using tanning beds. Eating a healthy diet is also important for treating melasma. A diet that is high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help improve overall skin health. Additionally, you should avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol consumption. Stress can also play a role in the development and progression of melasma. Therefore, it is important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Getting enough sleep is also important for overall skin health. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. However, some people may need more or less sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone that can trigger melasma. Treating melasma can be frustrating, but with patience and the right approach, you can improve the appearance of your skin. Aloe vera is a natural remedy that has been shown to be effective in reducing melasma. Its unique combination of compounds can help reduce inflammation, moisturize the skin, and promote healing. To use aloe vera to treat melasma, you can apply a topical cream or gel or consume the juice orally. It is important to be patient and consistent with treatment and to make lifestyle changes such as avoiding sun exposure, eating a healthy diet, and managing stress. With the right approach, you can achieve clear, beautiful skin. So there you have it, folks. That's how you can get rid of melasma using aloe vera. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thanks for watching.